Hello everybody, welcome to Grade 12 Paper 1 Winter School. In this video, I analyze the syllabus and give you some strategies to help you with your studies. I also discuss the November 2020 Paper 1 Question 11 in full, and I take you through the explanations as well as how the examiners mark and where marks are allocated. This last question counts 8 out of 150, which means 5.3%. And it focuses on grade 11 probability. And that is all about Venn diagrams, tree diagrams, and contingency tables. This question's focus is tree diagrams. Now, this is the question. Let's discuss it. Harry shoots arrows at a target board. He has a 50% chance of hitting the bull's eye on each shot. 11.1. Calculate the probability that Harry will hit the bull's eye in his first shot and his second shot. So the first thing you need is your tree diagram, and there you can see I expanded your tree diagram for you. In the first shot, it's the 0.5 for the bull's eye and not 0.5, and then expand it further. So we are looking at in his first shot a 50% chance and in his second shot a 50% chance. So we write P, probability the bull's eye first shot and second shot is then that 0.5 times the 0.5, which is 0.25 or a quarter. And then where's the marks? The marks are on the 0.5 times the 0.5 and then your final answer. 11.2. Calculate the probability that Harry will hit the bull's eye at least twice in his first 3 shots. So that means you go to your tree diagram and you look for 2 B's because it's 2 bullseyes. So here you find 3 bullseyes. So that is fine because it is at least twice. So 3 is more than 2, so it's fine. These 2 bullseyes, these 2 bullseyes, there's only one. There's 2 bullseyes, there's only one. There's only one, there's none. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 times that this is going to happen. So how you write this is the probability bullseye at least twice in 3 shots there. So this first one represents the bullseye like that. This one represents BBN. This one represents BNB, and this one represents NBB. And then when you go across the branches, it's the 0.5 all the time. And then when you multiply that out, you get the answer is 0.5 or a half. And then where's your marks? It's for the 0.5 times 0.5 times 0.5 as you go along the branches, and then the fact that there's 4 events, 4 of them, and then your final answer. (11.3) Glenda also has a 50% chance of hitting the bull's eye on each shot. Harry and Glenda will take turns to shoot an arrow, and the first person to hit the bull's eye will be the winner. Calculate the probability that the person who shoots first will be the winner of the challenge. Now, in fact, this person who shoots first forms a geometric series where the 0.5 is the A, the first term, because this person has a half a chance of getting a bullseye. And then the R is 0.5 times 0.5, which is 0.5 squared. Now, where does this come from? This is now your second branch of your tree diagram for Harry, but now Glendai is also there. So it's twice the 0,5. And then, so in this geometric series, how do you get from one term to the next term is you multiply by r, and r is 0,5 squared, so you add it to that one, and that's why it's 0,5 to the 3. And then to get from this term to that term to the next term, again, you multiply with r, and r is 0,5 squared. And then into this little formula. Now, doesn't this one look familiar? This is the sum to infinity, in fact. And then into that formula, your a is the 0,5, 1 minus the r. What is this 0,25? That's r. R was here. Let me show you. 0,5 is a half times a half, which is a quarter, which is 0,25. So that's where that comes from. And then, so the person who shoots first probability is a 2 out of 3. And then where's your marks that you saw a geometric series, R's value, final answer.
Thank you. Thank you for watching the Winter School. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next playlist. There I will discuss the Paper 2 Winter School. This is Miss Pythagoras signing off till next time.